In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your contacts from Constant Contact to Excel or Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet of your contacts that you can sort, filter, and analyze with ease. First, sign in to your Constant Contact account. Use your usual login details, and if you have extra security enabled, complete that step as well. Once you're in, look toward the main navigation bar and head to the Contacts area. This is where all your people live: lists, segments, and individual records. Next, decide what you want to export. If you manage multiple lists or groups, select the specific list that matters for your task, such as a newsletter audience or event attendees. This helps you export only what you need, keeping your spreadsheet focused and easier to work with. If you want everyone, you can stay in the All Contacts view. Now, choose the contacts themselves. You can check individual boxes next to specific contacts if you only want a subset, or use the Select All option to grab everything in your current view. Take a quick moment to confirm the contact count displayed on screen matches your expectation. This simple check helps avoid missing records or exporting more than intended. With your selection ready, click the Export button. Constant Contact will usually prompt you to confirm what information to include, such as names, email addresses, and other fields you've collected. Choose the fields that are relevant to your workflow. For most people, names and email addresses are essential, and any custom fields you rely on can be included as needed. The export file typically downloads in CSV format, which is perfect for spreadsheets. Once the export is prepared, download the file to your computer. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a familiar folder and, if you like, give it a clear name so you can find it later. When the download finishes, open the file in Excel or Google Sheets. In Excel, you can double-click the CSV or open it from within the application. In Google Sheets, upload the file and open it from your drive. If you see all your data in one column, use the Import or Text to Columns option and choose commas as the delimiter so each field lands in its own column. That's it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Constant Contact and opened them in a spreadsheet ready for sorting, filtering, and reporting. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you'd like to review the steps.